How to convert PDF to Word in OneDrive. It is completely free method. So I'm going to show you the best way. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. So guys, first simply come over your Google Drive app. It is online app, as you know. Now what we need to do, just go to the new here and upload the file. Go to the file upload, and here find that PDF. So I have this PDF in my computer, so I just select it and I need to open it in Google Drive. So it will be start uploading in Google Drive. So go to the my file, you can go to the my file, or you can simply see this is recently we have okay guys. So under my file you can check you uploaded PDF document. So you can check the recent one by checking the date or time. So just right click on it and just go to the preview. So it will be open in PDF mode only. So now we need to go to the open and open. So once you click on open, it will be open in Word. Okay, Word file. So this is the document you can see, which is converted in Word file and Word format in OneDrive. Okay, now what you need to do, go to the open in desktop mode option, just convert it. So it will be start converting, and just go to the edit. So now it will be edit mode. So here you can edit your elements or tags. You can also add more tags if you want. Okay, so edit your documents from here. Now you can go to the file and export it again in PDF. Okay, and you can also download it as a PDF. So it is already saved in our Google Drive. So just go to the Google Drive home. So Google OneDrive. Go to the OneDrive home page. Just open the OneDrive from here. Okay, so this is my home page, and you can see this is two file has been created as a Word file. Okay, this is our first file, which is PDF format, and this is the two file which we have in Word file. Now just select that file. Sorry. Okay, come to the my file. Here you can see the both file again. Now select any file and download in your device. So it will be download, and you can see this is downloaded file which is in Word format. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.